Hi guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a killer Sudoku. Killer Sudoku in today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 9th, 2023. And I've already solved one regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. And I will continue with this one, the killer Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them, half of them I will solve in the evening, but let me continue with this one. And the news of today, well, I've told you, soccer news. The club in Eindhoven, yes, PSV, has won the match in the Champions League against Lens. Yes, it's a club in France. Yes, alright. Killer Sudoku, number. This will be number 7417. And we have here two given numbers. 9 in the triple box of 20. That means that those two boxes together should be 11. 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. And this triple box of 9, these two boxes together should be an 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, and for Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. And my first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. Okay, we have 2 big squares with 1 sharing box. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. So for a big square, the total sum is 45. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So double 15 is 30. 30 plus 13 is 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. In the box of 6, the combination here will be 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Okay, this one has 2 sharing boxes. Okay, now this big square, if I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay, so 23 plus 7 is 30. 30 plus 11 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. In the box of 12, the combination will be 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Okay, now my next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. Only one combination. Let me check. We have a box of 16. Only one combination for the box of 16. 9 and a 7. 9 and a 7. All right. The box of 3, only one combination, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. The box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Should be here also 2 plus 1. Okay. Alright, the box of 4, only one combination, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. The box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. That means we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this big square. So this box can be 1 and more. This box should be a 3, and that box should be a 1. Okay, now we have in this big square one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Let me do this. Okay. We have double 3 is 6 plus 14 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 8 is 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 7. That means in this big square, in this box of 12, the combination here will be 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Okay. And now, in this big square, one of the missing number in this big square is number 9. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 10, otherwise the combination will be 9 plus 1. The 1 is already used in one of these two boxes, in the box of 3. So cannot put it here in the box of 10, so it should be in the box of 14. Combination 9 and 5, 9 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 200. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Let me mark those. 4 and 6. Alright. 1. Alright, need a 4 here. Well, we have 4 in this column, 4 in one of those two boxes in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 15, otherwise the combination will be 4 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is the number 9. So it should be here in this triple box of 13. Okay. Alright. 1 and the 8 and then 7. Okay. Well, there are two combinations for the box of 15. 9 plus 6 and 8 plus 7. Well, the 9 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 9 and the 6 here. So it should be the 8 and the 7. 8 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 in the box of 8. Otherwise I need another 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 6. Alright. 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. 9, 9. Yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 9. Goes in the box of 11. Combination 2 and a 9. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. In the box of 8, the combination will be 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Well, I cannot place the 3 in the box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 3 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So the 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. In the box of 13, the combination will be 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. And this triple box of 20, these two boxes together should be 11. So it should be 8 and a 3. 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. Now, this big square, we have one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 3 is 21. No, 22. 22 plus 8 is 30. 30 plus 9 is 39. So 45 minus 39 is a 6. This box should be a 6. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Okay, 1, 2, need a 3 here. Need a 4 here. Yeah. In this row, we need a 4. This box can be a 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. So the 4 should be in the box of 11. Combination will be 4 and the 7. 7 and 4. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So 1 digit left in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. In the box of 11, combination will be 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. There are 2 combinations for the box of 14. 9 plus 5 and 8 plus 6. Yeah, 8 plus 6. The 8 is already used in this big square, so it should be the 9 and the 5. 9 and the 5. Alright. Well, we have a 9 here, and we have a 9 there. That means in this column, here can be a 9, because we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here, 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here can be a 9, because we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 9 in the box of 8. Of course, otherwise I need minus 1. Minus 1 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is the number 1. So the 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Okay. Alright. And now, this big square with 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 7 plus 13 is 20. 11 plus 9 is 20. Double 20 is 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. So 45 minus 44 is a 1. In the box of 8, the combination will be 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Okay. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. Well, I cannot place the 8 in the box of 9. The combination will be 8 plus 1. The 1 is already used in this big square. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 7. Can I place the 8 in the box of 8? Otherwise I need a 0. 0 is not allowed. So it should be in the box of 11. Combination 8 and a 3. 8 and a 3. Here. Okay. Then. Okay. 6 and 1. Wow. Let me think. We have 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left with 7 should be here. In the box of 15, combination will be 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left with 7 should be there. In the box of 10, the combination will be 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 and 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 4 and the 5 are missing. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the third column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Well, I cannot place the 4 in the box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Well, the 9 is already used in this row. So cannot place there. The 4 should be here. And the 8 should be there. In the box of 13, combination will be 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 8 and 3, we have an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. I cannot place the 3 in the box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 3 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. I cannot place the 3 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Well, the 8 is already used in this column. So the only box left in this big square should be in the box of 9. Combination 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. We already used the 4 in this big square. So it should be in the box of 11. Combination 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 1. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 1, we have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row, 4 numbers, the 1 and 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 3 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. In the box of 11, combination will be 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. And now we have 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. In the box of 7, the combination will be 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. We have 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. No last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. And these 2 boxes together should be an 8. So 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 1 is 9. In the box of 7, the combination here will be 1 plus 6. Oh, we have a double 2 there. That's not correct. Not correct. This is not correct. This should be the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. This should be the 6. Yeah, the 6. That means these 2 boxes together should be an 8. 6 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, in the box of 7, the combination here will be 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second row for number 1. 2 and 1, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7 and a 4, we have a 4 in this last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and 2 numbers left in this big square. Final 2 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there, finishing 17 minutes. Wow, I'm well pleased with the time, because I'm faster than the 20 to 30 minutes time limit. So is this a 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars. Faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.